Wherever you are now, we are seeing the big rebound in the temperatures. Most of us have seen temperatures rise at least 35 degrees since sunrise, and there's a few spots where temperatures have risen 40 degrees. Spring break weather, yeah, it's here and will be with us for a while. Moisture will begin to increase as we head toward the weekend. Now, in a way, that's good news. Look at these dew points. We talk about how the fact the dew point is the decider. If you haven't been to Phoenix, 5-degree dew point near the Okefenokee. Are you kidding me? That is incredibly dry. On the other hand, can you tell the sea breeze did kick in late this afternoon? Out on the islands, dew points in the 30s to near 41. Bottom line, though, although we're not under a red flag warning because the winds aren't high enough, certainly elevated fire danger until sunset. So, unless you really have to burn something, maybe to leave that alone until we get some more rain into the area. What about more rain? Well, the polar jet stream is retreating, or I should say heading back to where it should be this time of the year. The subtropical jet stream is lifting up, and that means eventually some shots of energy and moisture will begin to fly our way, but that's a while away. Let's take a look. Here's the visual satellite picture. No surprise here, right? Nothing in the way of clouds around the area. We'll expand the picture to show you that we're in between. The sunshine sandwich holds as we still have the Noreaster. It's retreating from New England, but as we've talked about before, if you don't care about temperatures and you just want beautiful blue skies here, February, March, and April, you'll want a Noreaster for New England. Nothing personal, but meteorologically speaking, that sets up nicely. But as that Noreaster eventually pulls away, then what we see developing coming out of Old Mexico, the Pacific out over the Rockies, this energy and moisture will gradually begin to spiral our way. But again, it's going to be days. Look at this. Late this afternoon, and after we started off, as Jeff and Heather mentioned, with some frost around areas, nowhere near freezing now. The coolest we can find is 60 on the sand, but some spots near 70 degrees. Going to be a very nice evening. What about tomorrow? Well, since it is Thursday, we try to check in on the captains, and they are saying the bull whiting are biting. Lots of them. If you can find some clear water at the beach, and you know what? There's a lot of clear water at the beach right now. Sunrise at 7:32, and on the sand going to make it to 72 degrees before the sea breeze kicks in. You say you have another day of work and school. Well, a wrap and peel kind of day. So although not expecting frost tomorrow morning, except way out there toward the Swanee, it's going to be cold in the morning still, 37 to 46, but it's going to be a wrap and peel day with afternoon highs well into the 70s for all of us. Just a few high clouds developing late in the afternoon. Here's what the computer models show, and that is all the moisture returning to the Florida Panhandle, just some debris that is clouds from that system heading our way as we head in toward Friday. Actually might make for some nice sunset. So here's the weekend. 80 degrees on Saturday, St. Patrick's Day, 82 degrees on Sunday, morning lows warm, and you know what that means, moisture on the increase. But for now, I'm just going to go for 10% of us to have a shower on Saturday, greater likelihood towards Savannah versus Springfield. And on Sunday, just going to go for some widely scattered isolated showers. So when will that moisture finally transfer and form itself into a decent chance of needed rain? That's probably going to be Monday and Tuesday after all of the events this weekend that include cleaning up the river, the creeks, and then celebrating the Irish.